Daddy, can I get a candle?
Is that for the shit?
Say good morning.
Oh, I have one. Can we get one, Daddy? Put those in the trash.
Say good morning, princess.
Good morning.
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 Where's Juju? Oh, that's not Juju. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, Juju.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Come on, Destiny.
So today is Tuesday, and we're going to look about schooling for these children. Oh, this is still egg. This is still egg.
Okay, Jordan did it.
Clean the kitchen up.
We're going to look about
I'm still
schooling for the children, and also what else we're looking for. We're going to get along with schooling, we're going to get fertilizer. How odd is that? Fertilizer and schooling does not go hand in hand. Fertilizer and schooling does not go hand in hand. But that's what's happening in the Albornoz household today. I'm so annoyed. Ew.
Who farted, dog?
Ugh.
Who farted?
Disgusting.
It's the soap and it's the floor. It's the floor.
Painting. Painting, 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 painting. I feel like I'm going crazy. No! I got that one left to do. And then another coat and I'm done. Good morning, guys. I'm gonna try to vlog today. I'm horrible at this. Horrible. I have so many projects that I'm doing around the house. And thank you, Madison. She just brought my shoes. We're about to head out. I was just thinking to myself, I've never had to use my house key. I've never had to use my house key. I have never had to use a key at all, because all I have to do is push to start my car. So most of the time, I don't use a key. I was just thinking, I was like, I don't use a key because we have the garage and you just come through and, you know, the door is always unlocked, so there's no need for a key, but we don't use the front door. And someone is calling me. Oops, it's a missed call. It's probably somebody annoying. So anyways, I'm about to go to Target because I need to get paint. I finished the uppers and I just need to do, look how pretty that is. Oh, what? Oh. I just need to get more paints for the doors. I have a ton of doors, and then I need to get some soft close from Amazon. And what else I need? I need to get some wood to put in windowsill because we don't have any windowsill. And I just want to scream, hubby, start a new job yet again. The new job I told you that he started, homeboy just left it. He just like, not for him. So he started another job. And it's just like, oh, you're stressing me out here because I have to pay bill, you know, I have to pay the bills. And I'm like, it's an order of importance. And you know, I can't be over here paying petty bills when we have a mortgage that's coming up, you know what I mean? And petty bills as in cable, you know, all the other stuff that we have around here that is just, that's petty bill. Light, water, that's not petty, that has to be paid. But I'm saying petty bills as in our cell phone, that's petty bill. So I'm about to run out to Target and I need to grab, I'm thinking of leaving the older kids, but I'm not sure. I might just take them.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet.
Maddie's
know
gone.
the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. Watch your guy yourself.
So just finished Target. I forgot the camera. So Miss Mia Joy, I don't know how many years now. How many years I've been on YouTube? I don't know. But I first met her when I started YouTube. And she's the sweetest person you could ever find. Like, that's the only YouTube friend that I have that we stay in contact and are actual friends. So she sent me a gift card, a virtual gift card to TJ Maxx. So I'm about to go spend that money. So I'm gonna bring the camera along while I pick out some stuff. So thank you so much for your generosity, Mia. If you're watching this, thank you so much for giving that little gift to my family and I. And I hope you're watching this video and you get to see exactly what I pick out. So let's go do that. Let's get a card. Oh, that's too small. We need a bigger card. Ooh, I like this. That's cute. They have Ray done. I should get some Ray done, but I don't need Ray done. Those are cute. Oh, I like this. That's so cute. This is really pretty. Oh, this is cute. I like this. Exercise. I thought you said extra fries. I like that. Oh, I want this. I like this. It says, a friend is God's way of proving he doesn't want us to walk alone. I like this. I like that. Oh, let's stay home. Those are cute. All these little. But first tea. You're the friend. I like this. You're the friend everyone wishes they had. It's too big. I wish it was in this size. Okay, so I found this throw blanket and it is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I don't know if I want this. Come here, Maddie. This one is 25 bucks. And then I found this pillow that says family on it. And it's $16.99. And then I found these pillows for 20 bucks. 20 bucks a piece. And here go the other one. So, I don't know what to get. Decisions. I really like this pillow. I really do. I love it. It says family. It's the right color. I could just get these two and I'm good to go. And then come back for these. But I don't know if they're going to be here. So I'm just going to get the whole cart. I'm going to get the whole thing. I don't like to make decisions.
Hello!
So I got, let's see what I got. What's that under your foot? I got these books.
Ooh.
For Jaxson. So phonics. Is that phonics? Yes. This is United States.
America. United States.
It's study the states. Oh, so it's the states. I thought it was the president. And addition for Jaxson. So I got 3 of those. They were $1. These were $1. And then I'm gonna, there's a gap in between my cabinets that I need to caulk. So I just got a caulk gun. Yeah. Uniforms, a bunch of uniforms. And then I got Destiny this. It's one like mine.
Yay.
But it's colorful.
I keep on changing your
Yes, see. Let me see it. So I got her this one.
It's different because it says the day.
Oh, mine doesn't say the day. That's so cute. I like this. It can go on your desk.
Yep.
More uniforms.
Softer.
A bunch of uniforms. Everybody. Everybody. Everyone got matching.
But I need skirts.
Yeah, I need to get you a skirt. More uniform.
More uniform.
More uniform.
More uniform.
More. A bunch of uniforms. Like $200 worth of uniform.
And more.
Yeah.
That's it.
And then I got paint.
Pillows. And that's paint.
I got, where's the paint? Bring me the paint bag. I'm so lazy. Maddie. Whoa, you guys cost a lot of money. So this is the caulk that I got. Hopefully it's the right one. It says windows, doors, molding, trim, and baseboards. So I'm about to go try it right now. And then I got the paint for the cabinet, the vine lace.
We're gonna try on these.
And the wax. The wax.
And we're going to try on these new paints.
And the kids are gonna try on their uniforms. So go. Why are you guys lined up in a line? But you guys are cute though. Try on the other one. You guys are so cute. Jordan, I can't see you.
You're not in the
Oh, look at the Albornoz children in uniforms. Destiny pants is much, I don't know, the color is not the same, but hey. Alright, next one. Even Maddie fit in with her little pants. She's like, don't touch me. I like this one, this other set more. You guys are so cute. You guys excited for school?
Yes.
Ready for school? Okay, so this is what this look like. This is a little lean. My OCD won't let me. This is what this look like. I'm not a fan, so let's fix it. Okay, so I'm not sure. I like it, but I need more color. Not even color. I need more pillows here. I could turn these around. I could do that just to give me a bit of a, oh yeah, much better. Let's turn these around. Okay. Ooh, there you go. Yep, that's it. I also could put it here. Let me fix this. I could put it here in the front with this right here. And but I feel like this beige is too dark for that look. I have one more look. Let me show you guys. Okay, so there's this other look. But again, that beige back there is a bit darker. So that's what this one looks like. but I don't know. It's too much. It's too much. There's too much stripe going on. It's too much. I think this guy gotta go. We need like some kind of color, like a, that's good. That's perfect. Right there. I don't know. Overkill. This rug, I feel like, is an overkill. Hey guys, let me show you what the pillows look like. And yeah, so so dark up here. Need some light. Let there be light. Anyways, here we go. So those are the two pillows. And what I need, oh, it's so loud. So what I need is another pillow, another small pillow behind that one, so I can kind of like push this out so you can see the depth behind this pillow. So I need to get that, and then I think this room will be complete. I just need to figure out something to go over the bed, and also this space right here, and then some wall stuff. That's not gonna stay there. It needs to go in my closet, but I'm too tired. And then I have one more thing to show you guys. Kids are really loud. And I put up this guy right here. Let me know if I should put a table right here. Like, I found the perfect size, but I don't know if it's going to make the space more closed in or what, but I need to put something right here. Something is missing. I found the table, it's in white, but I don't know. So anyways, guys, oh, show you a sneak peek of the kitchen. Oh, I haven't showed you guys Maddie's room. So this is a little princess room. This is Leah's room. And I still haven't figured out, you know, the space, but that's what I've done with it so far.
What about my room?
You can pick that bag up off my stairs. So this is the kitchen. Just a sneak peek of how it turned out. Hi! Holy Mother!
My pen in your mouth.
So, that's just the kitchen.
Can I have this?
Hi! Just a sneak peek of the kitchen because I still have to decorate and clean up. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye! Bye! Bye! Bye! Bye!
Oh, Lord.
Bye! Bye!
Bye!